Hey guys, I hope you're well. It feels like old times. Excuse me. It was right there where I fell down, camera in hand, in the midst of filming a movie for you guys. Now, Blitzy and I, we have something we'd like to show you. Hey, Blitzy. He's looking for something to eat. He likes eating grass. Hey guys, I got to get the step ladder out of the shed. Hang on. Freaking neighbor's gonna think I'm nuts. Hey, Blitzy. Hey, man. Neighbor's gonna think Daddy's crazy. You know why I put the ladder there? I show you. Here we are. I hope I don't fall. I hope I don't break my leg again. What do you see, guys? That droopy ass sad antenna? That's my 30-meter dipole. It's coming down. Why? I can't zoom you, but right there is the end. Whoops, sorry. One of the feed point, the broken feed point of my failed dipole antenna. After 5 years, it failed. But that's okay. It was built with zip ties and such. That's coming down too, man. Only one antenna is going to stay for HF, the 80-meter end fed that goes up into yonder tree. Yep, the 80-meter end fed, man. Because the dipoles and the 80-meter end fed are both very similar antennas in many ways. They both provide for similar operation for closer in work. And by work, we amateurs, of course, mean play. Right? I only really need, man, damned FCC doesn't even deem me qualified or worthy of an amateur radio ticket anymore. So they're transitioning us away from the sidebands and the codes into FT8. Now, I only have one band of interest right now, and I'm not going to talk about it for lest I perk the ears of the feds, the bureaucrat bastards that don't want me to be a ham. I realized all I need for 10 and 11 meters, I want this Michigan cacti vertical. I want a horizontal antenna, and the end fed half wave will fill in nicely for that. I'm going to build a half wave plus 10% ish radiator, a parasitic radiator, and I'm going to make it, it'll be a reflector, of course. I'm going to plant it the appropriate distance in wavelengths from the Michigan cacti, and by doing so, have a 2-element vertical directional array. I'm going to point it straight at a line bisecting Great Britain and Ireland. When I've had my fun with that, I'll pluck the half wave vertical parasitic element out of the ground, and I'll move it to a new location and try to blow some smoke at Hawaii and the lands down under. Those are my antenna plans. They involve nothing but tearing my old dipoles down, guys. And you know why? Because I love my frickin' end-fed half wave. I am a true believer in its virtues. I love to tinker around. I don't want a cookbook antenna. I don't want a pretty, picture-perfect antenna. Not at all, man. Come on, Blitzy. We got to show the boys something here, man.